hope you guys enjoyed that edit. We're out here this week at the Mentawai surf camp in Indonesia. It has been quite the journey to get here. Had to go through the entire process of getting work visas, a vaccine, pulled off a miracle to get here. We figured it was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get to this part of the world when the rest of the world can't get here, to make hopefully one of the best surf edits possible. The guys at Mentawai Surf Camp have been very nice to us, let us come stay and shoot here for about 2-3 weeks. And this video is just going to be a little bit of a breakdown on how we captured all the shots you guys just saw, what equipment we used, give you a little bit more insights into the production of this video. So let's just get back into it. Alright, Dylan's getting ready to go in the water. We're going to shoot some POV shots. Just want to quickly show the POV setup we've been using for the video. We've got the GoPro Max with the bite mounts from GoPro. So Dylan puts it in his mouth, gets epic POV surf shots, and then for safety, because you can't put a float on the GoPro Max, we use this little fishing line that we tether to his wetsuit top so that if it does fall out, we're okay. There we go. Got to give a big quick shout out to GoPro for their insane dry bag that I've been using on this trip. Never had one before. This has been so crucial to keeping all my gear protected and dry. I have my drone in here. I've been using the Mavic Air 2S for all the drone shots in the video. Plenty of extra batteries and GoPros, and it's all stayed nice and dry in here, because as you can tell, so a little bit of water gets in the boat, and during rainy days it's been a lifesaver. So yeah, if you spend a lot of time around water or you adventure a lot, I would definitely recommend getting one of these. It's pretty cool. It's got a quick access pocket here that I put my phone and sun cream in. Job well done, GoPro. I know you make cameras, but this is a very, very, very cool accessory. I'm gonna get this guy up in the air. Little golden hour surf drone sesh. Woo. Alright, set up the sail video system on Dylan, nicely hidden under his O'Neill vest. Got all the safety tethers, 2 extensions, and the GoPro Max. We're going to shoot 3.6K at 60 FPS and see how it goes. A big thanks to Diego and his whole team at Mentawai Surf Camp for helping make the dream surf trip come to life. Dylan and I had the best time getting epic empty waves with you guys, and we can't wait to come back. If you're watching this and you want to book yourself the same trip, I'll have all of Mentawai Surf Camp's info in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and I'll see you in the next one.
I love being the center of attention because it's really where I should be. And I love the looks my ladies give me, you know, a little glint. I love that. I love holding the ladies. You know what I'm talking about?
I think so. Sort of.
Come on, come with me. These are my ladies. This is Jill. This is my lady Amy. Little Susie. Brianna. You know why we call her Brianna, right?
No.
It's a long story. Shaniqua. Helga. Miss Kitty. Jeannie. I dream of Teresa. This is Teresa right here.
Now is Teresa, is that your...
Dirty girl. This spot is for my special lady, Leah. I'm gonna say that one more time. Leah. Oh yeah. That's a sweet, sweet lady.
Tango, polishing your trophies again!